Hello.
Hi, got something to show you.
At the jeweller's, Angie is keen to see what expert Daniel has discovered about Georgina's family ring.
So bubbles will generally indicate that it's synthetic, so it's a man-made stone.
Oh, right.
What I feel may have happened is because garnet's quite a soft stone, it's broken and it's been replaced with another one.
So the band is the real part, but the garnet is actually a replica.
Yes.
Okay, right.
So the markings indicate that it was made in Birmingham in the late 1890s.
Is it worth much?
As a piece, not really, but that's not where the value lies. The value lies in the story and the sentiment behind it.
Daniel is 100% right. Memories and keepsakes are far more important than placing dollar values on things. So I'll be so stoked to see this back on Georgina's hand, shining like it used to.